Hi. How are you?
Okay, so your room has an open air bath. Baby knows so you stay also here as well. It's at the end of the night, so you can really do something. And the open here is open all night long until next morning, 9:30 a.m.
Okay.
So you can leave anytime during
There is no family for the onsen, only male, female.
yes, it's separated.
Thank you.
I'll take this.
It's raining. Thank you. Wow, beautiful. I like the smell. So nostalgic. Yeah.
Okay, I'll briefly explain the room first.
Uh-huh.
So this is the phone, then number 8 in the series.
Number 8.
Any series.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Number 8. This is the AC's controller.
Yeah, with the AC. Okay.
This is just to make tea.
Okay.
The fridge is down here. All the drinks are for free.
Okay.
There is a TV behind the screen here.
Ah, the TV.
Along with the AC's controller.
Mm-hmm.
In the closet, we have your ikata, the Japanese film.
Oh, yeah. Okay, okay.
Alright. There's 2 extra large and 1 large size.
Oh, okay. For the 3 of us. Uh-huh.
And the safe is down here.
Uh-huh. Safety.
The key to the safe is
That's the key.
with the room key.
Okay. Uh-huh. Thank you. And,
Options are this way.
bebe, dito. Punta doon. Dalit kayo manonood, maliligo mamaya.
There's a regular bathroom as well. And if you would like to use that, first it's all right about here.
Wow, it's
And
beautiful.
when you do use the bathtub, please make sure to drain the water when you take out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yan ang gusto ng anak ko. Hey, be careful.
Alright, last but not least, open air bath here. And be careful not to hit your head.
Oh, that's
Open air.
it's 24 hours, right?
Anytime.
Ah, that's for hours only?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
private,
it's a
right?
private.
Yeah.
That's what we want.
Okay. Uh-huh. And I told you about the time you're having a dinner, right?
Time
You
for
know it
dinner?
already? I think it's 7 o'clock or 6.
7?
I think so.
Okay.
Could you please check that? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
7?
Mm-hmm. I think I said 7.
So here's
For yeah. Oh, ready? Come here. For the tea. Wow. Honey, come here. Doon si Jet. Lagyan mo sa ibaba. Mm-hmm. Okay.
So the dinner time,
Dinner time, yeah.
like at 7? Yes.
Yes, please, 7.
And both of your dinner and breakfast we can sit here in the room.
Mm-hmm.
And for breakfast we can do 8 or 8:30.
Breakfast.
Breakfast?
8:30.
8:30 is okay. Mm-hmm.
Right. So after finish dinner, we will prepare the bedding, the futon for you.
Mm-hmm.
And right before the breakfast begins, we would like to put it away for you. Is that it? So I would like to take a copy of your passports.
Oh, the passport.
For the
Ah.
check-in.
It's on the...
Meron ang passport.
yeah, I'll get it. Pakita ko ang order. All of our passports?
Yes.
Okay. May tissue mo ni Pende, be. Hindi pa yan tapos.
Sabi niya, oh, I like this. We almost canceled it. We almost canceled it. Oh, the bird.
Mm-hmm.
Grabe ang bird doon sa station natin.
Parang nasa France tayo. Sa Bordeaux. Di ba ganun? Hindi na ito pwede i-cancel.
24.
Mahal-mahal pa naman ito.
Pwede. Ang sarap ng tea.
Coffee, please. Can I pay for this?
Jet.
Sarap ng tea.
Dad,
Jet.
can I pay for this?
How about this one?
Okay, did I?
Lasso. Lasso people.
Me.
What do you mean you? Why do you keep saying you? I paid for a lot of the hotels.
Yeah, you pay.
I paid for it, tapos binayaran mo sa card mo. Aking pangalan ang ginamit.
But I paid for it.
Mhm.
That's why I'm asking.
Wow. We didn't do this before.
Yeah, local stuff.
Wow. Talagang ganun. Pag masarap ay ganun. Ah, ganun pala pag masarap.
I'm gonna.
Big video mo to. Check it out.
You are sitting in a tatami. Tatami. Wow. Manghang-mangha sa ibon. Oh, when you were young. Wow, I like the river.
Very soothing. This room. What is? Is this like just like a regular room?
Ito lang ang may private onsen.
This.
This room with private onsen.
Thank you, Tete.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh, dahil kung hindi sa aking hotels.com.
How much is this? Here?
It's
This one?
expensive.
1,000.
Jesus.
No.
Is it?
One day.
Akala ko 1.5.
May discount tayo.
Ah,
Kasi
1.5.
kung ito hindi sa hotels.com,
1.5.
1.6.
Ah, 1.6.
Merong 50% discount.
Oh.
Halos, hindi naman 50. Nasa 45 na. Kaya thank you, Daddy.
Wow.
Is that for 3 people?
No, this is for 7 people.
I know, but so it could have been 7.
Only 3.
Ah.
3 lang ang nilagay ko. Kasi si Kuya hindi sumama eh.
Wow.
Kung sila sana, silang dalawa. Yun ang kung sana tayong 5 eh. This huge place is only for us. Look at that. Pwede lumabas dyan? Ang ganda ng tubig. Ano yan? Pwedeng buksan?
Guys, take a bath, put on the yukata.
Ako yung napapagod pa. Sandali. Gusto ko lang mag-content.
Ay, pahinga muna.
Grabe yung ilog, oh. Wow, umaagos na yung ilog, oh. Tapos may pools din. Ganito ka sa pantubig, oh.
Oh. Ganda ng lugar.
Ikot tayo doon.
Mhm. Yan, saan ba yan tulay? Kanina, hindi ko nakita.
Tunay na ano?
May tulay eh. Yung pag ganon, may
Yung
tulay.
orange? Yung orange yung pinasok natin.
Ay, ma'am.
Paano paglabas doon?
Dito ang labas sa kabila. Hindi dyan ang labasan, sweetheart.
Ha?
Lalabas ka dito?
Doon.
Ay, doon. Ang daan. Hindi dyan. Walang hagdan dyan.
Gusto ko lang din eh.
Ah, yan. Ito kay Jet. Dito, bebe. Dito. Ito, itulak mo. Yan. Mhm. May ulan pa, no? Sauce.
Mamaya na yun. May plato doon. This one. Ay, yung sauce. Ari,
This is my favorite.
Wanna try this first?
Wow.
Ito, ano yan?
Walang sinabi ang kolon, ah.
Oo?
Mhm.
Okay, pre. Ay. Ikaw na magbuwan. Di ko alam kung ano karami.
Oh, this is a spicy mustard.
Anong tawag mo sa
bibili
isa?
yata
Dumpling?
to. Ngayon, ano nga, bebe, yung haba na yun?
Gyoza.
Oh, di pala, re. Gyoza. Hindi masarap.